Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is July 2nd, 2025. Here is what we are covering. In a significant setback for the technology industry, the U.S. Senate decisively rejected a proposed 10-year moratorium on state regulations of artificial intelligence early Tuesday. The amendment, part of a broader economic policy package championed by Senator Ted Cruz, was defeated in a 99-1 vote. This move preserves the ability of states to enact laws governing AI, a sector with minimal federal oversight but significant state-level regulation addressing consumer privacy, the prohibition of AI-generated child abuse material, and the outlawing of deepfake political videos. Critics of the moratorium, including state attorneys general and consumer advocacy groups, had expressed concerns that the ban would allow AI companies to develop technologies without adequate safeguards. The decision marks a victory for consumer protection and state autonomy in the burgeoning field of artificial intelligence. And speaking of technology, a pro-Russia disinformation campaign, identified by names like Operation Overload and Matryoshka, is using consumer-grade artificial intelligence tools to significantly amplify its efforts in spreading false narratives globally. According to research by groups including Microsoft and the Institute for Strategic Dialogue, this operation, aligned with the Russian government, has been active since 2023. It aims to exacerbate tensions on issues such as global elections, Ukraine, and immigration by impersonating media outlets and creating divisive content. Researchers have observed a dramatic increase in the production of disinformation, noting a surge from 230 unique pieces of content between July 2023 and June 2024 to 587 in the subsequent 8 months, fueled by the accessibility of free online AI tools. This escalation highlights a shift towards more scalable and sophisticated propaganda tactics. In other news, Google's electricity consumption for its data centers has seen a dramatic increase, more than doubling in 4 years, as revealed in its latest sustainability report. The tech giant's data centers consumed 30.8 million megawatt-hours of electricity in 2024, a significant rise from 14.4 million in 2020. This surge in energy use, accounting for 95.8% of Google's total electricity consumption, emphasizes the company's pressing need for more power. Despite efforts to enhance efficiency, Google faces challenges in meeting its commitment to operate entirely on carbon-free energy sources. The company is exploring various options, including geothermal and nuclear energy, to support its growing power demands while adhering to its environmental pledges. Turning our attention to environmental concerns, Grammarly is set to expand its reach in the AI and productivity realm by acquiring the email app Superhuman, aiming to transform into an AI productivity platform. This move aligns with Grammarly's usage trends, as it currently aids in revising over 50 million emails weekly across numerous providers. The acquisition of Superhuman will not only enhance Grammarly's email service capabilities, but also marks a step towards its ambition to become a multi-product company with a focus on AI-driven, task-specific agents. This strategic direction is aimed at creating a future platform that allows for simultaneous collaboration with multiple AI agents, catering to a variety of professional needs. Additionally, Grammarly's recent acquisition of Coda and the appointment of Coda's co-founder, Shishir Mehrotra, as CEO, underscore its aggressive push into leveraging AI to enhance productivity tools, despite looming competition from AI giants like OpenAI and Google. In a related development, data labeling company Surge AI is embarking on a significant financial venture, aiming to secure $1 billion in what would be its inaugural funding round, as per Reuters sources. Spearheaded by former Google and Meta engineer Edwin Chen, Surge AI is targeting a valuation surpassing $15 billion. This move comes on the heels of the company generating over $1 billion in revenue last year, outperforming its notable competitor, Scale AI, which reported $870 million. Surge AI is capitalizing on the shifting landscape following Meta's investment in Scale AI, which led to customer realignment towards Surge and others like OpenAI and Google, amid concerns over research privacy. This strategic funding initiative underscores Surge AI's robust position in the competitive AI sector. Lastly, the Model Context Protocol, MCP, is being recognized as a crucial development for the integration of agentic artificial intelligence, AI, into marketing technologies. Amidst discussions at Cannes Lions, industry professionals highlighted the challenges faced with current technologies, where marketing teams juggle between 80 to 120 different tools and platforms that often fail to seamlessly interact. MCP aims to address these issues by enabling AI agents to efficiently orchestrate complex workflows across multiple platforms without the need for extensive manual input on platform-specific requirements. This innovation is seen as a significant step towards realizing a future where AI can automate intricate advertising and marketing tasks, potentially transforming the industry's operational dynamics without threatening creative jobs. Thanks for listening to this episode.
Thank you for tuning in to AI and Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.